Hey guys, it's me Chris from DIY Outdoor Kitchens, and these are the top 5 mistakes when designing your outdoor kitchen and how you can avoid them. After years of helping people build their own outdoor kitchens, we really come to understand the effective plan and planning a project and the most common mistakes that people make. I see it a lot. If this video really helps you, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're always making great content. Let's just jump right into it. Number 1 mistake. Not planning enough counter space. You have to have ample counter space to prepare food. If you don't have places to prepare and set your delicious barbecue food, you're not going to use your outdoor kitchen as much. Try to have at least 2 feet of counter space for preparing food and another 2 feet of counter space for setting your delicious food off to the side after it comes off the grill. And remember, grills, side burners, ice bins, sinks, all take away from counter space. So no matter how tempting it might be to overcrowd your outdoor kitchen, you have to be realistic for your kitchen size. With proper counter space, you will love cooking outdoors in your amazing outdoor kitchen that you've built from scratch. Number 2 mistake, choosing the right grill. The grill is the centerpiece of your outdoor kitchen, and so you should choose the best one that you can afford. And do not let these companies who sell prefab outdoor kitchens, such as RTA, try to make you use their Coyote brand or any other brand that they're trying to make you use. At DIY Outdoor Kitchens, we believe that you should use any brand and components you want to. And not all grills are created equally. Also know there are 3 classes of grills based upon price: economy, premium, and commercial quality. We like to offer all 3 levels to fit your budget, such as a lower Napoleon grill that costs $14.99 to a premium Blaze grill that can cost in the low 2000s. Or if you want commercial quality, we have Fire Magic that we like to offer that are upwards of $5,000 grills. When inspecting the grills side by side, you'll usually notice that the higher the cost, the thicker the stainless steel and the overall construction of the burners correspond from the price levels, from your lower tube burners to your high-end H burners that generate a lot of heat. Mistake number 3, not having enough storage or positioning your drawers too low to the facing. It is important not to overlook storage. Nobody wants to keep running back and forth from inside their house to their outdoor kitchen. An outdoor kitchen should have places to put your cooking utensils, cups, plates, and spices. There are many different types of storage. Before you buy your doors and drawers that are a brand name, we recommend you compare what you are thinking of buying to our line of outdoor kitchen components. You see, most brands sell through the middleman, which really drives up the price. We have our own line that we sell directly to the consumer and can usually save a lot of money. But please know that at DIY Outdoor Kitchen, we will never pressure you to use our brand or even buy a grill from us. Our main goal is to help you and everyone else build the outdoor kitchen frames. It is what we do best. The only reason we sell appliances is because many of our customers want to buy from one place and get free shipping. Mistake number 4, using these prefab outdoor kitchen companies. There are a lot of companies like RTA Living that have big advertising budgets and promise to ship you the outdoor kitchen of your dreams. There are many problems with this method of creating your outdoor kitchen. Many of the problems are shown in a great video by the legendary barbecue coach, who is one of the founding fathers of the DIY barbecue island. The main problem with prefab is you're stuck with it whether it fits nicely in your space or not. I had so many clients when I built outdoor kitchens on their properties who made changes to their design after seeing the frames built. Some wanted it to better fit their landscape, or a little longer for extra counter space, or to switch the side burner to the other side of the grill. With the DIY framing system, all of these changes are easy to do, but with the prefab islands, you just can't get the perfect custom fit for your landscape. Every backyard is different, and only building custom from the ground up will truly have the best design. Mistake number 5, not planning for the time it takes to complete the project. An outdoor kitchen is like adding an outdoor room to your house. Like anything we're doing, it will take some time and patience to complete. It is best to avoid taking shortcuts with prefab companies like RTA who promise an easy fix with a cheesy looking product. These prefab companies promise you a turnkey outdoor kitchen in 4 to 8 weeks. But remember the old saying, promises are meant to be broken, and prefab is not an exception. With prefab outdoor kitchens, be prepared for faulty concrete panels that can take weeks to replace, big semi trucks delivering those heavy concrete panels, kitchens directly to you, and lots of wood crates you will be responsible to get rid of. The prefab system just takes as long as building it from scratch, and sometimes even longer for imperfect results. Guys, there is no replacement from building your outdoor kitchen from scratch in your backyard. Our system lets you make adjustments until you are 100% satisfied before adding your cement board and finish. It allows you to pay in stages of the product, where with companies like RTA, will have you come up with $15,000 right from the beginning. No matter how you build your outdoor kitchen, just allow proper time and a proper time span so you are not disappointed. I hope this video helps you with your outdoor kitchen project. No matter how you build your outdoor kitchen, we wish you a successful project. Thanks for watching the video.